Hi, David. I have a problem. I get really nervous when I have to speak English on the phone. It's hard to understand and respond quickly.
That's very common, Emma. Speaking on the phone can be challenging because you can't see the other person's face or gestures. But don't worry. Today, I'll teach you useful phrases and strategies for phone conversations in English.
That sounds great. Where do we start?
Let's begin with how to answer the phone. When answering a phone call, you can say, "Hello." For informal calls, "Good morning. This is Emma speaking." For formal calls, "Hi, this is Emma. How can I help you?" For business calls,
So, if my friend calls, I just say, hello. But if it's for work, I should say, good morning. This is Emma speaking. Right?
exactly. And if you're calling someone, you can say, "Hi, this is Emma. May I speak to David?" "Hello, this is Emma. I'm calling about our meeting tomorrow."
That's helpful. What if I call the wrong number?
You can say, "Sorry, I think I have the wrong number. I'm sorry, I dialed the wrong number."
Sometimes I don't understand what the other person is saying. What should I do?
That's normal. You can ask for clarification politely. Say, "I'm sorry, could you repeat that, please? Could you speak a little more slowly, please? I didn't catch that. Can you say it again?"
Oh, that's useful. What if the connection is bad?
You can say, "Sorry, the line is not clear. Can you repeat that? I think we have a bad connection. Can you call me back? You're breaking up. Let me call you again."
What if I call someone but they are not available?
You can leave a message. Say, "Could you please tell Sarah that I called? Can you ask him to call me back? Please let her know that I'll call again later."
What if I answer a call for someone else?
You can say, "I'm sorry, he's not available right now. Can I take a message? She's not here at the moment. Would you like to leave a message?"
What if I need to make an appointment on the phone?
Use these phrases. "I'd like to schedule an appointment. Can I book a table for 2 at 7 p.m.? Is there an available slot for a meeting on Monday?"
And if I need to cancel?
You can say, "I need to cancel my appointment. Can I reschedule for another day?"
How do I end a phone call politely?
You can say, "It was nice talking to you. Thanks for your help. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye."
Great. I feel more confident now.
I'm glad. Just practice and you'll get better.